Wednesday and I'm off on a mini tour. So I think first stop off, I'm off to Dorset, and then I'm going to go to Hampshire, then Wiltshire, Gloucester, and then I'm coming back home. So it's going to be a really nice day. Here I am in Dorset and it's absolutely lovely. I can't believe it. The weather said it's going to be a bit grotty, but here we are. So and I'm off to see Lily, who is the charity's regional representative. So we're going to pop in, say hello, see how she's doing, how are the pigs, and then I will then go on to Hampshire. So catch up. I'm leaving Dorset and I'm now heading to Hampshire. I'm going to pop in and see Catherine Green-Smith and her husband Martin. Catherine is known to us on the charities cooking some lovely meals, and she's been experimenting with charcuterie, and she's got another couple of pigs now that she's bringing on. So hopefully I'll have a chat with her and catch up with her. I've left Martin and Catherine, beautiful place that they've got, lovely setup, and now I'm making my way to Hampshire. So this is going to be lovely, and I'm so lucky, the weather is just absolutely glorious, it's just beautiful. How wonderful. It's been super. So I'm now leaving Charlton Rare Breeds Farm, where I've met lovely Dan McSorley and just had a chat, looked around at these pigs, saw some beautiful pigs, saw the goats, saw some chickens, saw some ducks, and some beautiful geese, and that was it. So I'm now on my way to Wiltshire, where hopefully I shall see and meet Rachel Rivers. Okie dokie. Well, I've arrived at Lawn Farm Shop, which is owned by Andy and Rachel Rivers, and I'm just following her down her track, and off we go, and we'll have a look and see some beautiful photos later and learn all about Lawn Farm Shop. Well, that was a lovely time with Rachel and Andy Rivers, and I'm now off my last stop, going from Wiltshire off to Gloucester. So should be a lovely journey. Well, that's it. I've done my last visit at Gloucester and I'm now making my way home. So I should be home about 9:45, so it should be fine. Okay, hope to get all the photographs all together and hope you enjoy seeing everything. Right, bye!